15 unique and practical ways to use cayenne pepper. Whether you're looking to improve your physical well-being, add some spice to your meals, or explore natural home remedies, cayenne pepper is a powerful tool to have at your disposal. In this video, we'll dive into 15 unique and practical ways to use cayenne pepper, each explained in detail with easy-to-follow instructions on how to incorporate this superfood into your daily life. From curbing cravings to fighting infections, cayenne pepper might just become your go-to ingredient for health, beauty, and beyond. Let's get started. 1. Boost metabolism and burn fat. To take advantage of cayenne pepper's metabolism-boosting properties, add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne to your meals daily. You can sprinkle it on dishes such as scrambled eggs, soups, or salads, or mix it into smoothies or teas. For a metabolism kick in the morning, try a glass of warm water with a pinch of cayenne, lemon juice, and honey. This simple addition stimulates thermogenesis, helping your body burn more calories throughout the day. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the dosage as your tolerance builds. Cayenne also works as an appetite suppressant. Consuming a half teaspoon of cayenne before meals may help you feel fuller and reduce cravings. Stir it into broth-based soups or sauces to enjoy its effects on both flavor and satiety. Cayenne's heat will naturally lead to smaller portions as it shifts your focus to mindful eating, making it a simple but effective tool for weight management. Are you enjoying this video so far? Why not like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you never miss out on any of my latest health and nutrition tips. Moving on to number 2. Soothe sore throat and relieve congestion. To soothe a sore throat, mix 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne with 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of half a lemon in a cup of warm water. Gargle with this mixture twice a day to relieve pain and inflammation. The honey coats the throat, while the cayenne's anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and fight infection. For congestion, a warm tea with 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne and ginger can help clear blocked sinuses. Drink this tea once or twice a day until symptoms improve. For a quicker congestion fix, you can also create a steam inhalation by adding a half teaspoon of cayenne to boiling water. Lean over the bowl with a towel over your head and breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. The heat from the cayenne will thin mucus and open up airways, offering immediate relief. 3. Aid digestion and improve gut health. To improve digestion, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne into your meals, particularly those that are high in fat or harder to digest, like meats or fried foods. This will stimulate digestive enzymes and promote smoother digestion. You can also mix 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne into a cup of warm water and drink it before meals to prepare your stomach for digestion. For those dealing with digestive issues like bloating or indigestion, cayenne tea can be particularly helpful. Add a half teaspoon of cayenne to a cup of hot water, squeeze in some lemon juice, and drink it slowly after meals. This helps stimulate bile flow and eases discomfort, promoting a healthy gut. 4. Relieve joint and muscle pain. For joint or muscle pain, you can create a topical cayenne rub. Mix a half teaspoon of cayenne powder with 2 tablespoons of olive oil to form a paste. Apply this mixture directly to the affected area and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. The capsaicin in cayenne helps block pain signals and improves circulation, offering relief. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after applying and avoid contact with your eyes. You can also make a soothing cayenne-infused oil for regular use. Combine 1 teaspoon of cayenne with a half cup of coconut oil, heat it gently on the stove, then strain out the cayenne. Use this oil to massage sore muscles after exercise or to treat arthritic joints. Regular use can significantly reduce pain and improve mobility. 5. Improve heart health. To support heart health, incorporate 1/4 to a half teaspoon of cayenne into your daily diet by adding it to soups, stews, or smoothies. Cayenne works to increase circulation and improve blood flow, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure and prevent clots. For an easy heart health tonic, stir 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne into a glass of warm water with a dash of lemon juice and drink it once daily. If you're new to cayenne, start with smaller amounts and gradually work up to the recommended dosage to let your body adjust to its heat. Over time, cayenne can help maintain cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease by improving circulation. 6. Enhance skincare routines. For an all-natural face mask, mix 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne with 2 tablespoons of honey and a dash of olive oil. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. The cayenne stimulates blood flow, promoting a healthy glow, while its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and puffiness. Use this treatment once a week for clearer, more radiant skin. For acne-prone skin, you can create a spot treatment by mixing a pinch of cayenne with a dab of aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture directly to blemishes to reduce inflammation and fight bacteria. Use sparingly, as cayenne is potent and can cause irritation if overused. 7. Detoxify the body. To detoxify, cayenne is a core ingredient in the master cleanse. In a detox drink, mix 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of organic honey, and a glass of water. Drink this mixture 2 to 3 times a day for up to 10 days. The cayenne will stimulate circulation and promote the elimination of toxins through sweating and digestion. If you're not up for a full cleanse, try starting your mornings with a simple detox drink, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, warm water, and lemon juice. This jumpstarts your metabolism and aids in flushing out toxins from your liver and digestive system. 8. Support healthy hair growth. To boost hair growth, create a cayenne oil hair mask. Combine a half teaspoon of cayenne with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes, then wash it out thoroughly with shampoo. The cayenne stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles, promoting healthier, faster-growing hair. Use this treatment once a week for best results. For a more intensive hair treatment, you can also mix a half teaspoon of cayenne with castor oil and apply it directly to thinning areas of your scalp. Be careful to avoid contact with your eyes, as cayenne can cause a burning sensation. 9. Natural remedy for headaches. For headache relief, make a topical cayenne cream by mixing a half teaspoon of cayenne with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply the cream to your temples or the back of your neck when experiencing tension headaches. The capsaicin in cayenne will help block pain signals, reducing the intensity of your headache. Be sure to wash your hands afterward to avoid transferring cayenne to your eyes. You can also try using a pinch of cayenne in a nasal spray to relieve cluster headaches. Mix it with saline solution and spray into one nostril, which may help reduce pain by desensitizing the nerves. 10. Improve circulation and warm the body. To improve circulation and warm your body, drink a cup of cayenne tea made by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne with hot water and lemon juice. Sip this tea on cold days to stimulate blood flow to your extremities. This can be particularly beneficial for people with conditions like Raynaud's disease, which causes poor circulation to the hands and feet. Adding a pinch of cayenne to soups and stews during colder months can also help maintain warmth and encourage blood flow. Consuming it regularly helps keep circulation healthy and consistent, making it a valuable addition to a winter wellness routine. 11. Fight off infections. To fight infections, gargle with a mixture of 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne in warm water. This works well for oral infections or sore throats caused by bacteria. For gum infections, you can mix cayenne with a small amount of coconut oil and apply it directly to the affected area. The antimicrobial properties of cayenne help combat harmful bacteria, promoting healing and reducing pain. For colds or the flu, drink a cayenne tea with 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, lemon, and honey. This will not only fight infection but also help clear your sinuses and reduce fever through its thermogenic properties. Drink this once or twice daily until symptoms improve. 12. Curb hunger and cravings. To curb cravings, mix 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne into a glass of water or add it to your meals. Consuming cayenne before meals can help reduce your appetite, leading to smaller portions and fewer cravings for unhealthy snacks. Drinking a cayenne-infused smoothie or water in the morning can also help keep hunger in check throughout the day. Another option is to sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne on snacks like popcorn or nuts to add flavor while simultaneously suppressing hunger. Regular use of cayenne in meals can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce overeating. 13. Balance blood sugar levels. To stabilize blood sugar, add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne to your meals. You can incorporate it into sauces, soups, or even salad dressings. Consuming cayenne regularly helps regulate insulin levels, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes after meals. For those managing diabetes, this simple addition can support more stable energy levels throughout the day. If you prefer a drink, mix 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne with warm water and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Drink this mixture before meals to help manage blood sugar and improve digestion. 14. Combat bad breath. To fight bad breath, make a cayenne mouth rinse by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne with a cup of water and a few drops of peppermint oil. Gargle with this solution for 30 seconds after brushing your teeth. The antimicrobial properties of cayenne kill bacteria in the mouth, helping to eliminate bad breath at the source. You can also add a pinch of cayenne to your toothpaste or mouthwash for an extra bacteria-fighting boost. Regular use can improve oral health and keep your breath fresh throughout the day. 15. Use as a natural pest repellent. To repel pests, mix 1 tablespoon of cayenne with 1 cup of water and a few drops of dish soap to create a natural pest spray. Spray this solution around your garden or home to deter insects, squirrels, and other animals from entering. Cayenne's strong smell and taste make it an effective deterrent for most small pests. Alternatively, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of cayenne around the base of plants or garden beds to keep pests away from your crops. Reapply the cayenne after it rains for continued protection. This natural method is safe for both plants and the environment. Cayenne pepper is far more than just a fiery spice, it's a multifaceted powerhouse that offers benefits for both health and everyday living. From its ability to boost metabolism and aid digestion to its use as a natural remedy for pain and infections, cayenne pepper proves itself as a versatile, natural solution. Incorporating this spice into your routine can improve everything from your heart health and circulation to the way you manage cravings or fight off colds. Beyond health, cayenne's practical uses, such as enhancing skincare and acting as a natural pest repellent, make it a valuable ingredient for your entire household. Whether you're sprinkling it on food, mixing it into drinks, or applying it topically, the potential benefits of cayenne are vast. So why not start exploring the many ways this humble pepper can enrich your life? A small pinch of cayenne pepper may just be the simple, natural change you need to support a healthier body and a more balanced lifestyle. Thank you for staying with us until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest insights on health and nutrition.